I'm
Good. Okay, let's start because we'll try to finish within hour, okay? Whatever the
Yes.
scheduled time, so that you don't want to miss your other appointments. This is also important, right? Okay. So, okay. Okay, as usual, okay, this is our 5th class, and I think 4 more classes are remaining, I think. No, this 5th, right? Yeah, 5 more classes are remaining. Then,
No, this is the continuation of last class. So I think we need one.
I mean, the class number I'm saying, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, these are our general information. And if you need any previous recording, we have it in YouTube, all the class recordings we have. And also now we have started putting homework in YouTube so that it will be easier for you guys, okay? Include homework YouTube part, okay? And sometimes we may not get enough time to put the video, get it ready and put in YouTube. In that case, we will just send in WhatsApp group, okay? Okay, today's class is about clothes, cloth, and color, okay? Okay, first I want to show you some faces here, the beautiful faces. This is the volunteer team. And in that we have our president, Shreevalli Martell, and myself, and Ranjani, then Reshma, then Dr. Jagdeesh Kumar, Prabhakara Bhat, and our youngest teacher is Dhyana Chettiar. Okay. So these are the people who are correcting your homeworks and getting the syllabus ready and discussing and getting everything ready for you guys. Okay. Okay. So we generally take a quiz, not a quiz, some information, but know your history. Okay. So today's question is, who from Tulu Nadu won the Miss World Beauty contest? And any of you know about this?
Aishwarya Rai.
Oh, awesome. Okay. So we never know. Yeah, okay, let's see. That is Aishwarya Rai. Okay, if the people who don't know, this is Aishwarya Rai, and this was that picture at the moment of winning that contest in 1990.
Yes, she's an actor too, right?
Yeah, yes. She acted more than 100 movies. Yeah. Yeah, and she is from Tulu Nadu. She was born in Mangalore. Okay? Yeah. There are 100 plus movies, and there is yeah, many movies. Okay, so this is Aishwarya Rai. Okay, so some of the information about Aishwarya Rai. She was crowned Miss World in 1994. That pageant was held in South Africa, Sun City, and Government of India honored her with Padma Shri. This is a civilian award. This is the 3rd highest award you can get in the country. That is Padma Shri in 2012, and she was also honored by Government of France. So it's hard to pronounce that, but it is a recognition for our Tulu Nadu beauty. Okay. And for almost 10 years, the media often called her as the most beautiful woman in the world. Okay, and she was born in 1973 in Bangalore. Okay, so someday some of you may also become Miss World. Okay, this is very inspiring, and we never know. Coming Sunday, the next Miss World is happening in India, and we have a contestant from our Tulunad. She is representing India. Let's see what happens in our next class, before next class. Okay. Okay. Now about the today's class. Okay, today we'll talk about clothes, cloth, and the colors. Okay, so basically clothes like the garments what we wear, and the cloth is the other material that we use. Then we will also try to cover colors. Okay, so the lot to cover in the clothes. Okay, so we'll try to find out. Okay, we'll try to find out what is the name of these different garments in Tulu, how we call them. Okay, so there are hundreds of them here, but these are all basically Western or recent clothes, and we all love them, and we wear them, we use them. So, but some of these, because they're off late, these are not native to Tulunad. We don't have them in Tulunad. They're only generally it was like 2 to 3 pieces of cloth that's been worn for a long time. But now, as the economy improves, people are having money, then there are designers making different things, and there are clothes with different names, shapes, size, and all. So we may not have the exact names for everything. So basically, we categorize into what we have right now. Okay, and basically everything falls into that. Like if you have something different design shirt and all, it's always shirt. Okay, it may have different variation in the design, those kind of things. Okay, okay. So clothes in general, cloth is called as kuntu in Tulu. Okay, kuntu. So when I say kuntu, it is that refers to either clothes or the cloth. Okay, so the difference between cloth and clothes is that is the one is already ready to wear, like garments and ready to wear things, they are called clothes, and the cloth is like things like blanket, towel, then all those kind of things. Okay, so can you say the word kuntu?
Kuntu.
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 Kuntu. Have you heard kuntu? Kuntu. Okay. So can you like have you heard this word earlier before this? I'm sure some of you.
Yes. Under.
And okay. So there are many things like we have pajamas, and we have top, we have shirts, we have sari. This is different. Then the cloth like your towel, then you have shorts, then t-shirts, then blanket. So all those things. Okay. So we don't have an exact word for the pajama in Tulu. So wherever we don't have, so yeah, we can coin a word, and we don't want to make it complicated for you, for the new learners, for the advanced class. So there are equivalent words. We do have that, but it's not exactly what you mean here, but it is equivalent word. Okay, so yeah, so this is pajama, and let's call it as pajama, and top. So generally, top is the a garment that we wear on top of our body, top part of the body. If you divide your body into two, upper half and lower half, then the top of the body, that is that's part of the the garment we wear on the top of the body, top part of the body. So that's called top, and in Tulu we call it as angi. So we'll see more examples later. Okay, and this top is specific for a girl's top dress. Okay, so that's angi. it's top. And shirts. For gents, shirts are called as angi. So we use same term for both girls' top as well as the boys' shirt. Okay, so it's angi. And have you heard about sari?
Under.
Okay.
Under.
Okay. Sari is sire. Okay. In Tulu, we call it as sire. Okay. Okay. And t-shirts. So we also have t-shirts. Let us call it as t-shirts only. We can call it as ardha kaita angi. So that's another the thing. If you want to learn more about that, we can have a separate classes and all those things in advance. We can have an advanced class. There's a plan for that also. So we'll learn more about that. Okay. So then towel. You always use towel after taking shower, right? To wipe out the water. So towel is called bairas. Okay. And you have shorts. Shorts are called as chaddi. Okay. Chaddi. And blanket is called mandiri. Mandiri. Okay. So we'll see more that. I'm just giving the high level of this thing, and we'll do some exercise and we'll find out different things about that. Okay. So there are more of that dressing clothes talking. Dressing clothes are called as tuttaita. Okay. This is a very, very, very native word, tuttaita. So that means all dressing clothes are called as tuttaita. Okay. So let's show you something like angi, shirt. We already saw that. Then pant. Then okay, this is a long skirt, and long skirt is called langa. Okay, and we already saw this. Short is chaddi, and t-shirts we saw that. And this is something new. I think you already know. This is called chudidar. Okay, chudidars are like you already know what it is. Okay, we'll see more about that. Okay, this is also not a native dress of Tulu Nadu, but it came to Tulu Nadu. Okay, we'll see that the chudidar. So that's why we don't have any specific word for that in Tulu. Okay, and the other one famous garment that we use is called lungi. So lungi is the Tulu word or native word, and this is used in all the South Indian languages, like in Malayalam, Tamil, and it's also used in Maldives, Sri Lanka, and all those in Southeast Asia, all those places. Okay, so this lungi, it's there in English dictionary, and it came from South India basically, and we are also one of the part of that. Tulu language is one of that. Okay, and one of the very native dress is called mundu. So mundu is a two-piece garment where it's a white cloth you wrap around your waist, and also you cover on you put it on your shoulder. Okay, we'll see more about that. Okay, and other very important dress is sari. Okay, sire. Okay, good. Okay, so yeah, we talked about this. This is shirt. Shirt is called angi. Angi. Okay, can you all say angi or touch your shirt, touch your shirt in any form? I say, yeah, touch that and say that. It's angi. Angi. Okay, so this is the top for both boys and girls, men and women. If you're using this form for this kind of shirt, then it's called angi. Okay, angi. So here you may be saying like every class. We have 4 colors here in 4 4 scripts is written in English, then in modified Roman script, then in Kannada, and then in Tulu. Okay, so you can just look at the first 2. That's what you know. Okay, okay, and also Angi. So and this is pant. Okay, you all know that. Okay, this is pant, and pant also. This is not a native cloth for Tulu Nadu, so we don't have a word in Tulu exactly that matches this one, but we don't want to complicate that. There is a word called in Tulu, it's equivalent to the pant. So, but let us use as a pant itself. That's okay. So, in advanced class, if you need, we can talk about that. Okay. So, we looked at some of these things now, and let us try some sentences. Okay. Okay. Let's try forming a sentence using shirt. Angi. Okay. Namaite Angi the ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂಜಿ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಮಲ್ಪುಗ. Okay, let us try one sentence with the Angi. Okay, okay, so I have a sentence here in English. My brother's shirt's color is yellow. Okay, so we looked at the clothes, garments there. Like, will you be able to form a sentence based on this? Okay, let me give you the helping words. Okay, so we have my means Enna, brothers means Anna, na. Shirt,
ಮಂಜುಳು ಬಣ್ಣ
Banna. Okay. Okay.
ಬಣ್ಣ
Okay. Okay. So yeah, some said, you all said correct thing, but maybe a couple of you said the word yellow before the color. Okay. So yeah, this is the correct one. Okay. Enna, Annana, Angida, Banna, Manjulu. Okay. Okay. Enna, Annana, Angida, Banna, Manjul. Okay. So this Manjulu, but sometimes this we also call it as Manjal. The color is also the color. This is the name of the color. We'll see later in the colors. It's a Manjulu. That is one thing, and also it's called as Manjal. Okay. Okay. Now, yeah. This is about t-shirt. Okay. And then this is a short. Short is called chaddi. Okay. And t-shirt, like I told earlier, we don't want to confuse and change this too. So let us use the word t-shirt in Tulu also. Okay. Like, so there's so many words that came from other languages to Tulu, and there'll be few words that came from Tulu to other languages. So because to make it easy, we'll use let's use it as t-shirt only. Okay. And short is called as chaddi. Okay. Can you all say chaddi? Chaddi. Yes. Okay. Chaddi. So that means it's a short. Okay. Okay. Let's try forming a sentence now. Okay. By using chaddi. Okay. So, Shreevalli, can we have some volunteers for this? In English, we have a sentence here. My dad's shorts color is black.
Okay. Shall I go from the end?
Yeah.
And
Yeah, you can, it's okay. Yeah.
we
Do
want.
you need any helping words?
I think I got it.
Okay.
So,
See, my yeah.
Yanna, Papa, Yanna, Papa, na, Chatti, Chatti,
Anna Papana Chadida Banna Kapu.
Awesome. Awesome. We don't have to wait, right, Shreevalli?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. There is a Vivan Ullal too. Okay,
Okay.
we will call 5 people first now, then we'll go up. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Till that, yeah. Vivan Ullare.
Ullar,
Vivan Ullal, yes. Palle.
Yanna, Papa, na, Chatti, Panna, Kappu.
Very good. Very good.
Okay.
Very good. ಒಂದು 10 ಅಂಚಿಂಚ್ ಪೂರ ಪೋಂಡ ಓಕೆ ಶಿಲ್ಪ ಉಲ್ಲ ಶಿಲ್ಪ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವು ಅಕಲ್ನ ಪುದರ್ ಅತ್ತ ಜೋಕುಲ್ನ ಪುದರ್
It's okay. Okay. Jokul panle.
Siddhi and Samay.
ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸನ್ಮಯ್ ಓಕೆ ಅಕಲ್ ನಿಕಲ್ ಪಲ್ನೆಗೆ
Anna Papana Chadida Banna Kapu.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಯಾಮ್
Yana appana ಚಡ್ಡಿನ ಬಣ್ಣ ಕಪ್ಪು.
ಕಪ್ಪು ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಓಕೆ ಸಮಕ್ಷ ಪನ್ಪರೆ ಸಮಕ್ಷ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸಮಕ್ಷ
ಅಪ್ಪನ
Uh-huh.
ಚಡ್ಡಿ ಬಣ್ಣ ಕಪ್ಪು.
Very good, Cheddida. Okay, that's enough for now, Bhaskarana. Itte
Okay.
yavu.
Yeah. Yeah. So these are the words you already know that. So I think you are experts now. So enna, pappana, chadita, banna, cup. Okay. Good. Okay. Now let's go to other type of clothes. Okay. Now we saw men's, boys. Okay. Clothes we saw. So now let's say girls' clothes. Okay. So this is called long skirt. Okay. And long skirt in English, and its Tulu word is langa. Langa. Okay. Can you all say langa?
Langa.
Langa. Okay.
Langa.
Okay. So this long, you can see. Yeah. Good. Okay. Langa, the long skirt. Okay. So.
Langa.
Langa. Okay. Yeah. It's also called as Srilakshmi, not Srilakshmi. Thanks for correcting. So it can be long and short. So if it is short, it's called as Udyalanga, and if it is long, it's called as Uddalanga. Okay. Okay, and also the top is called as Angi, or sometimes also called as Davani. Right, Shreevalli? Okay?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
You can use that. Okay. And also, like if you go to very rural places, then they still use the word Raki or Ravike. Okay. So that is about this long skirt and the top. Okay. So basically, Langa Raki or Langa Davani or Langa Ravike. Okay. So other one is we already talked about sari. Sari is called as sire. So can you all say sire?
Sire. Sire.
Sire. Sire. Okay. Okay. Huh? Okay. So that's a new word we just talked, right? So that is blouse. So this is unique to this particular kind of cloth. Okay. So the top is called the blouse. That's called as Rakhi. This is unique. That's with the sari. So it's not called with the blouse is called with only name either Rakhi or Ravike. Okay. So it's not called, you cannot call it as Angi. So it has a unique name. Okay. So with Sire Ravike or Sire Rakhi. Okay. Okay. Let's try some
The
sentence.
top part for men is called Angi, for ladies is called Ravike,
Yeah,
Raki.
correct. Yeah. So yeah, top it's like Ravike, Angi. Then Sire we can call it as Mundu or Lungi. Okay. So we can see more about that later. Okay. So now yeah, somebody raised hand, I think, Shreevalli. So
Yeah.
let's
Okay.
see how.
Go with the hand raise. Okay. Or should I go on the
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, first go with
Who
those
is
who.
that Riyan Prakash Shetty? I think that is the parent's name, I guess.
Okay.
Riyan Prakash Shetty.
Vidya. Oh, you can go in the sequence. Do you want me to give the
Uh,
helping words? Let's
Panpare?
see.
Riyan Panpare? Pal. Here Riyan. Okay.
You look beautiful in sari. You need to know the meaning of you in Tulu. Word for you, then look, then beautiful, then sari, then the prepositions. Okay. Yeah, if you want, let me give the words.
Ear.
Huh. Iru.
Iru.
Iru. You means iru. Okay.
Sete. Dojavara. Porlo. Era. Doja. Era. Sereda. Porlo.
Very good.
Okay.
Very
You
good.
can, yeah, I
Okay.
think that two people raise the hand, Shreevalli. We can ask them or you can randomly ask.
Okay. That is Abhiyan. Abhiyan Panpare. Video on my
Okay. I could, so, okay. So this the pronunciation, right? If you see E with a line over that, then it is a long E. That's Iru. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Good.
Here. Okay. Next one. Listen. What others say. Dada betakul panpirundu. Ethan Hegde.
Ire sirede porlu tojvare.
Very good. Adya Panle. Adya Suda.
Ira Ojuvara Porlu Sereda.
Very good. Marcelo.
Tojuvar Seret Porlu.
Okay. Atharva Panle.
Actually, okay, that's not in that sequence, it's in random order. It is Iru, Siredu, Porlu, Tojuvar. That should be the order, okay? This is not in the order. Just to confuse you, I put like that, okay? So you should know what comes what, okay? What comes when, okay?
Now lower your hand. Everyone lower your hand. That's good, because if you are raising your hand, I always repeat your name again. So I think it's better to call from the bottom where I stopped.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Everyone will get the chance. Okay. Yes. Go ahead. You correct. Tell the correct sentence for them. Then you continue, Bhaskar.
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. This the correct sentence is Ir Sired Porlu Tojuvar. This is the simplest sentence. Okay, so good. You all did great job. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay, this is. Okay, let me put it here.
Remember that sentence. When your mom wears a sari, you should tell to her. Okay?
Yeah. Ir Sired Porlu Tojuvar. Okay, or anybody whoever is wearing sari, you can say that. Okay. Okay. So.
And you will get chocolate also.
Ah.
You will get chocolate also. People say that.
Incentive. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's see the next the garment. This is called chudidar. Okay, it's also called chudidar or chudidar. Okay, so it's a basically it's from North India that came into South India, and this has three parts in that. That's one top and bottom and shawl. Okay, I think all the girls here, you already may be knowing this. Okay, so you have a top, then
Pant.
bottom and shawl, and this is also called as angi, pant, shawl. Okay, in Tulu. So top is always called as angi. You can use it as a top, or you for all these things the tops you can use it as angi. Angi, pant, book shawl. Okay, so angi is the top. See here, and pant is the pant. You already know that. Then shawl. This is something different. So this is shawl. This is in English called a shawl, but in Tulu we call it as sal. Okay, Tulu also we call it sal or shawl. Okay. Okay. So these are the different kind of things for the like grown-ups, adults, and for the kids and all. Okay. 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 Next, let's make some sentence on this. Okay. So that because you are so good and you know a lot of things, and let us make a sentence with the sari. One more sentence. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Raghav?
Yeah. Okay, I have a sentence here called Nirvi's sari is looking very grand.
Raghav Panpare? Raghav?
Nirvi's sari.
Looking very grand. How English? Irtudu palle.
What is grand in Tulu?
Okay, let me give the words. I think you should be able to know that. Okay. Grand means gard. Gard is
Bari.
grand. Gard.
Nirivana.
Nirvana Seve
Tojundu. Bari
Bari Gata Tojando.
Very good.
Very good. Shreevalli, I think you should ask more people. I think Kenle.
Yeah. Prabha Ital?
Yeah, the pronunciation of this is like grand means gard. So you have two D's, but they sound differently. Gard. There's a dot for the D. That is D. Gard. Okay. They're all consonants both. Okay. Gard. Okay.
Prabha Ital? Manjunath Shetty? Aisiri?
Hi.
Palnege?
ಆಯ್ತು ನಿರ್ವನ ಸೀರೆ ಬಾರಿ ಗಡ್ಡ ತೋಜುಂಡು
ಗಡ್ಡ ತೋಜುಂಡು ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಹರಿ ಪಲ್ಲೆ
ನಿರ್ವಿನ ಸೀರೆ ಬಾರಿ ಗಡ್ಡ ತೋಜುಂಡು
Gad. Okay, you can say. Can you all say gad? Gad. Okay, gad. So if you have, Yeah, if you have a grand marriage, then you say Gard the Madime. If you have a grand party, then you say Gard the Vanasu. Like that, okay?
Prabha Aital, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here, madam. So,
Okay.
having lunch with my family here.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, we are
Okay.
So
disturbed.
I can say
Yeah.
Nirvida Sire Gardda Kundu.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, you can also say Yankalna Vanasu Gardu Undu. Yankalna
Yankalna
Vanasu
Vanasu
Bari Gardu Undu.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Aditya Shetty?
Nervenas. Dere Bari Gade Tojando.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Bhaskar, are we giving another sentence or same sentence?
Yeah, we have more sentences, okay?
Yeah, give one more.
Okay. Okay, here this is the sentence in Tulu. Nirvina Sire Bari Gard Tojan. Okay? Okay, so yeah, another very important garment cloth that we use is lungi. Okay? Have you guys seen lungi? Any of you?
Lungi. And
Angi. Okay.
on a movie.
Oh, you want the movie? Okay.
No, I watched a movie where they use the lungi.
Okay. Then we have a question for you. Okay. Then we have a question for later. Okay.
And lungi part. Okay.
Awesome. Okay. So lungi is generally it's a piece of cloth like just in the rectangle shape, like kind of 6 feet by like 4 feet, and it's wrapped around the waist. Okay, that's lungi. And generally it has either stripes like this, what I've shown here, or it will have checks, or sometimes it will have prints, beautiful prints and all this. You have seen, you can see that online or wherever in movies and all. Okay. This is lungi. And then on the right side, it's called another like tuttaita, another dress that's used in it's not a dress, basically it's not girl's dress. Okay, another like garment, a set of dress that's used by the men, that's called mundu. Okay, so here mundu is similar to lungi, but it's white color. Okay, that's the only difference with that. And generally mundu has two pieces. One you wrap around your waist, and other one you put behind your neck or over your shoulder. Okay, so that is called mundu. And also the typical dress is a mundu, then a angi, and then a waisty, the piece of cloth that cover on over your shoulder. Okay,
Shawl.
that's called
Shawl.
shawl. You can call it a shawl, but it's also called as waisty. Okay, so this is the typical Tulu Nadu dress. So like for in any events like marriages or any functions, this is the typical attire that you see. Okay, undu, mundu, angi, waisty, or mundu, angi, shawl. Okay, and lungi is generally worn at home or doing while doing field work. Okay, now we have sentence.
Okay. Lavit and Sanvi. Lavit one paresurutu.
Okay.
One
This is lungi. Okay.
क्या बोल रहा है?
In English, Lungi Dance is a famous film song. Okay. You know lungi, right? What is lungi? So here you can see so many kids wearing different kinds of lungis.
That's
Some
what
are
I
striped,
watched.
some are printed, some are checks.
That movie I watched.
You
Oh.
watched that movie? Oh, awesome. Okay. Good. Like okay. Lungi Dance is a famous film song.
Ain panle ge with panle.
Yeah, Lungi Dance film unji film da patte
Famous.
famous.
Famous. Panuli.
Okay, let me give the helping words. Okay.
Yeah.
So again, they are not in the order. Okay.
Lungi Dance.
Famous means pudar poina. Okay.
Lungi,
Lungi dance.
Lungi Dance.
Hmm.
Pudar Poina.
Huh?
Cinema.
Huh?
Pada.
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 Cinema.
Pada.
Cinema pada.
Very good.
Yeah.
Sanu panpare.
Sami panle.
Pane.
Lungi Dance.
Hi pane.
Hi.
Pudar
Pudar Poina.
poina
Cinema.
da pada.
Cinema da Pada.
Very good. Very good. Ishan. Ishan.
Yeah. Yes, I'm here. Which Ishan?
Yeah, can you translate this English sentence by using these words in Tulu? ಈ ನೆಟ್ಟ ಇತ್ತಿನ ಶಬ್ದಲೇನು ಗಳಸೊಂದು ತುಳು ವಾಕ್ಯ ಮಲ್ಪಲ್ಲಿಗೆ.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay. Lungi Dance. Pudar Poina. Wanji. No, wait. Lungi Dance. Wanji Pudar Poina. Cinema Pada.
Cinema. Very
Good.
good. Who is there with you? Is there your sister or brother? Anyone is there with you? Next to you? Ishan Shetty?
My dad.
Oh, your dad. Okay. I thought if
Okay.
your sister is there, I can. Okay, then.
Okay.
Ishan?
Me?
Ishan? Yes. Can you translate that sentence, please?
Lungi Dance. Wanji. Pudar Poina. Cinema Pada.
Cinema
Okay,
da Pada.
awesome.
Very good, very good. Bhaskar, bete sentence unda?
Undu, but yeah. And Patni Vishepun, I think we'll continue. Okay, I think they know. Okay. Yeah, just one more thing I have to mention here. Nanunji Vishay Panodundulamu. Film is also a not native word to Tulu or any of the Indian languages. So generally they use either cinema or film. Okay, so we can use any
both either.
Okay, so yeah, this is the answer for this in Tulu. Lungi Dance, Wanji, Pudar Poina, Cinema da Pada. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Next, Next, one more. We talked about the clothes that we wear, the tuttaita. Okay. So now let's see some of the other clothes. Okay. So you all use towel, right? As I mentioned earlier, after shower. So in Tulu, it's called as virus. Okay. And can you all say virus?
Virus.
Okay. Okay. Tomorrow or today evening, whenever you go to a bathroom to take shower, then you should tell your mom or dad to give you Yenku virus korle. Virus volund. Okay. So virus means towel. Okay. So this also called as shawl sometimes, but don't get confused with that. It's also called sometimes they use the towel also, but the virus is the right part. Okay. So use virus. Okay. So also another cloth that we generally use is, what is this on the right side?
Mattress, bed.
Mandari.
Okay, so this is blanket. Okay, blanket is called manderi. Okay, this is also very unique word of Tulu. Okay, manderi. Okay, like Bairas and manderi, these are the very original words. Okay, so this is blanket is called manderi. Okay, so it can be thin or thick or maybe like different shape, size, kilt, but everything comes under, like when you say blanket, manderi, it's equal. Okay. Okay. Next, let's make one more sentence. Okay.
Okay. Ethan and Ethan.
Okay. What is it? Let me see what is there. Okay. Blanket, mandiri, mandir. Okay. In English, I sleep by covering a thick blanket in winter.
Okay. Ethan and Arhan. Palle. Yaar panpara. Ethan panpara. Arhan panpara.
Yan Panpe.
Okay. Palle.
How do you say thick in Tulu and winter?
Thick panda.
Okay. Yeah. We'll give the. Okay.
Winter. Chalik.
Winter is called chaligala.
Chaligala.
Chaligala. It's a CA says cha. Okay. So if you see here at the bottom of this thing, CA. Okay, because we are using this modified Roman script where we can represent all the sounds of Tulu language. So because English has only 26 letters, that is borrowed from Roman, right? But here we use the original Roman, this is called as modified Roman script, where we can like represent all the sounds of Tulu. That's why we're using that. Okay. Winter is called Chali Gala. Okay. Chali Gala.
Okay. Continue.
Yana Chalikalade Dappa Manderi Pidetondu Jerpube.
Podetondu Jepue. Very good. Okay.
Awesome.
Yana Chaligala. The Dappa Mandari.
Dappada Mandari.
Dappada Mandari.
Podetondu.
Jeppuben.
Very good. Okay. Darshipalle. Yanchur fast ad pope. Darshipalle. Darsh, you there?
Palle.
Darsh palle.
Okay. Chaligalada Dappa Mandari Pitandu.
Yeah, Pidetondu. It's covering. Okay. Pidetondu or Podetondu.
Pidetondu Jeppundu.
Jeppue.
Okay.
Jeppue.
Okay. Avyan palle. Last, finally we will correct everything. Okay. Avyan palle.
And Mandari Kaliga Dappu Pitundu Jappuna.
Jepue. Yana Chaligalade Dappada Mandiri Podetondu Jepue. Who is this AV?
Okay. Okay, so yeah, here is the translation. This is a long sentence and there's so many new words in that. Okay, you all did great. Okay, so let's go to next topic, color. So we have a few minutes. So I'll just give a introduction about the colors. Then we will talk more about this and the assignments. Okay, and you're all very fascinated with the colors, right? Do you remember any festival of the color?
Holi.
Holi, yes.
Holi.
Holi, yeah. Do you guys play Holi?
Yes.
Ande? Okay. Okay. So let's find out how many, how we like, how the colors are called. Okay. What are the words for colors? Okay. What is the color inside this red box?
White.
Okay. White is called Boldu. Boldu. Okay.
Boldu.
Okay.
Kappu.
You're so good. You already know this color. Okay. Kappu. Okay. What is this color?
Kempu.
Kempu. Awesome. Okay. Okay. Kempu. Okay. What is this?
Manji. Kesari.
Kesari. Kesari. Okay. Kesari. Okay. What is this? Manjulu. You already. Yeah. We had an example there. Manjulu shirt. Okay. Manjulu angi. Okay. This is Manjulu. Okay.
Manjulu.
Okay. Okay. Next. What is this color?
Green.
Pacha.
Green.
Pacha. Okay. Pacha. What is this?
Neely.
Oh, awesome.
Neely.
Neely. Okay.
That
And
sounds like water.
Huh? Yeah.
The blue or the Tulu pronunciation of
blue.
blue sounds like water.
Ah.
That is neer. Neer is
Neer.
water.
Ah.
Sounds similar though.
Okay. This is sky blue. Sky blue is Akasha Neeli. Akasha Neeli. Okay. Neeli. Oh.
You know,
Okay.
Akash, because you had your homework one.
Akasha Neeli. Okay. So I would. Yeah. There is one like line is there should have been a line about I so that it makes long E. Neeli. Okay. So I'll fix that. Okay. Neeli.
Do you have one sentence, Bhaskar, so we can finish the rest of the.
Okay. Yeah. I'll just finish the two more this thing. That's it. Okay. What is this color?
Purple.
Nerale.
Nerale. Okay. Nerale. Okay. And this one? Girl color. Gulabi. Okay, you're all great. You're great in color. Okay, it's very colorful. Okay, so now I have one last assignment, a sentence task. So this is question and answer. Okay, about the colors. How many primary colors exist? The answer for that is 3 primary colors.
3.
Okay. So you have to translate the first sentence and the second sentence.
Can you put the helping words?
You want it? Okay.
But I am going to call the name.
Yeah.
AV. Who is AV? You know, I don't know the name. The entire name is not there. Just it says AV. Okay, Atar.
Okay. Yeah. The words are how many is yet. Primary is mula. Okay, primary is Mula, and color you all know is Banna. Exist means Ulla. 3 means Muji, and the Muji is the number 3, and you will learn that in next class. Okay. Okay. So, yeah, Shreevalli, you can.
AB. I don't know who is that. It is full name is not written there, but okay. Panpara AB. He's okay. Atharva Panle.
Yet Mula Bana Ulla. Muji Mula Bana Ulla.
Muji Mula Banna Ulla. Atharva, very good. And Arha and Adi. Arha.
Yeta Banna. Wait. Yeta Banna Mula.
Mula Banna.
Oh, Yeta Mula Banna Ulla.
Adi Panle.
Yeta Mula Bana Ulla.
Ulla. I can answer la Panle.
Mula Banna Muji Mula Banna.
Anshika Panle. Very good, Adi and Atharva. Anshika Panle. Anshika.
Bana Ulla Muji.
Mula Banna Ulla. Very good. Anushka Panle. Anushka. Panle.
Eka Mula Bana Ulla.
Awesome. Yeah.
Very good.
Eighth.
Muji Mula Bana Ulla.
Very good. Ankush Panle. Very good, Anushka. Very good. Ankush Panle.
Yeto Mulla Banna Ulla.
Mm-hmm.
Muji Mulla Banna Ulla.
Very good. Very good.
It's Mula. Okay. You have to. It's a long. Okay. You it's long. It's Mula.
Okay. Akshaj Chidananda. Akshaj Panle.
Yet Mula Bana Ulla.
Very good. Mm-hmm.
Muji Mula Bana Ulla.
Ulla. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. Avyan Panle. Avyan.
Ette Moji Mulla Banna Ulla.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Bakkaire. Yeah. Who is left now? Did I call everyone?
Yeah.
ಆದ್ಯ ಈ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಪಂಡರತ್ತೆ ಮಗ
No, not yet.
Okay.
Oh, okay then. Palle.
Yeta Mula Bana Ulla.
Okay.
Muji Mula Bana Ulla.
Very good. Very good. Very good. All did very good. Aditya Shetty.
Yeta Mula Bana Ulla. Muji Mula Bana Ulla.
Okay. Okay. I hope, I think. Okay. Marcelo. Marcelo Panpara. Marcelo.
You've done this. Can we leave?
Pardon me?
Yeah, just it's a couple of minutes, okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Is it done, Shreevalli?
If anyone left out, please let us know.
My sister didn't go.
Oh,
okay.
Yes.
I didn't go. My sister didn't go either.
Go ahead.
Banna Ulla.
Okay, Ulla.
Good. Okay.
Getulla.
Muji.
Muji, Mula Banna, Ulla. Okay.
Okay, I think
My sister didn't go yet either.
okay. Yeah.
Okay, please go ahead.
So, Ina. No,
Yet.
Eat. Muda.
Mula.
Moola.
Banna.
Ulla.
Ulla.
Muji. Mula. Banna. Ulla.
Very good.
Okay.
And Samay, very good.
Darshla Rihanna kai mittundu.
Darsh, avu ekal pantere ekadu. Warrior gojanji chance makulu. Rihanna pantere.
Okay. Nama apanda next gunmalpuga next class like okay. Okay. So you're all great.
Oh, everyone is covered, right? Is anyone left out? Please.
It's I didn't go.
You didn't say. Just say that again. So they say that sentence.
Yeta. Mula. Banna. Ulla.
Okay.
Muji. Mula. Banna. Ulla.
Very good.
Awesome.
Very good.
Okay. So I think some are in hurry. So that is end of the class, and it was a great class. I liked the response. Very nice. Okay. So we will send the homework like as usual, and we will have only from Monday to Friday, and Saturday we will not have any specified homework. But if you have missed anything over those weeks, Monday to Friday, you do it on Saturday. Okay, in case if you have missed it. Okay. With that, we are ending the class, and thank you very much. And if you have any questions, we are here for some more time. Okay. Okay.
Homework, okay?
Tolmelo, Barpi class.
Bye.
Bhaskar Samaksh kai mittu maltude.
Okay. Samaksh panleda adege.
Dhanyavadagalu.
How do you like remember Yank, Yan, like myself and I have, because I always get confused and say Yank at the wrong when I have to say Yan, or Yan when I have to say Yank. What's
Okay.
like the best way to memorize it?
Yank is for me. Yan
is for me. Yan. Yan is I. Yan, I. So only like talking more and more. Talk to your mom, talk to your dad. Just say Yan, I, Yan, I, Yan, I. You just remember Yan, I.
Yan salage pope. Yan barpe.
Okay.
That Yan.
It's just one more class. You will remember everything.
Ink on a board. Ink chocolate board.
Oh, that I can be used in both actually.
Yeah. That is, it's based on the context. That's why it's confusing. Okay. So.
It is.
Americadi onji tulukuta bodi tinde. Americadi onji tulukuta bodi tinde. Akhila America